All right, y'all, we're gonna make some chocolate chili. Start with some pinto beans and a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And we're gonna add a can of diced tomatoes. We'll do half a cup of cocoa powder in there. Next, we're going to add some maple syrup, about a quarter cup's worth. Kind of do it to your taste, however sweet you want your chocolate chili to be. Let's give that a nice little stir, get those ingredients before we continue with the seasonings. Okay, now that we've just given it a little bit of a stir, we're going to add in about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And finally, our seasoning. We're going to just do a little pinch of salt, about a half teaspoon worth of smoked paprika, cayenne pepper,
interesting,
some cumin, perfect for any chili really. Cumin has such a strong smell. And some chili powder. There we go. Let's give that one more good little mix. Okay, once we have that good and mixed, we're going to put the lid on. And we're going to put it on low for about 3 to 4 hours. Now you might want to check on it as it's cooking and give it a little stir here and there. But in 3 to 4 hours, we're going to do one little last step before it's ready. All right, let's check out our chocolate chili.
Oh.
Wow.
Interesting.
This looks good. All right, y'all, moment of truth. Let's give this thing a try. Get you a nice bowl full. Smells so chocolatey.
Chocolate chili. Here we go.
Okay, and a final step. We eat it. We're gonna garnish it with a little bit of honey. Just add a little bit of extra sweetness in there. Do a little bit of cilantro. It's like my favorite herb. And then, it's chili, so we're gonna do some sliced jalapenos in there too. So good. Just get all that kind of stirred in. Let's give it a try. All right, moment of truth. That is surprisingly good. Man, who would have thought? Chocolate chili, man. Pretty good, y'all. Y'all, honestly, try this at home. You might be pleasantly surprised. Especially when you add that little bit of honey.